Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So this is the part 2 of the chapter number 6 of class 7th geography, where we are learning about the life and environment about tropical and subtropical region. So in this video we are going to understand the life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So the tributaries of rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinent, which is very important for the geography about the India. The basin lies in the subtropical region that is situated between 10° north and to 30° north latitudes. So the tributaries of the river Ganga like the Ghagra, the Son, the Chambal, the Gandak, the Kosi, and the tributaries of Brahmaputra drain it. So here is a homework that you have to comment what are the tributaries of Brahmaputra. Okay. So now here you can see the plains of Ganga and the Brahmaputra, the mountains and the they are which shows the mountains and the foothills of the which mountain, that is Himalaya, and the Sundarbans Delta are the main features of this basin. Now oxbow lakes that dot the plain area. What is oxbow lakes? When a river or a lake, okay, when a river or lake is moving in this direction, in this direction, yes, it is all the time moving in a direction. If because of the deposition process, okay, all going, which is continuously having the process of deposition, this part of the river will get cut down from the main river and shows the oxbow type of shape, either it is lake or it is river. So this is type of oxbow lakes or oxbow river. The area is dominated by monsoon climate. The monsoon brings rains from mid June to mid September. The summers are hot and the winters cool. This is a type of climate in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Look at the map of India and find out the states in which Ganga Brahmaputra basin lies. Here they have given the map. Just a minute. Okay, here they have given the map of the, but it is blank. So this much part is having the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, which shows the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So we will understand from our one more map. Okay, here it is. The another map is there. So this much part is there where it is showing that Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, even Jharkhand, then West Bengal, little part of West Bengal, and Brahmaputra river is coming from the Assam. Okay, it is also coming from the Assam. It is also showing the Meghalaya. All these states are in that Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, now. So the basin area has varied topography. The environment plays a dominant role in the distribution of the population. The mountain areas with steep slopes have inhospitable terrain, means there you cannot see the means you will not find out the any facilities over there. So therefore less number of people live in the mountain area of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The plain area, but the plain area provides the most suitable land for human habitation. So the soil is also fertile, so we can do the agriculture. That is the main occupation of the people, where flat land is available to grow crops. The density of population of the plain is very high. What is the population of density? It means the number of people or person that live in that 1 square kilometer area. For example, the population of density of Uttarakhand is given 189, while the density of West Bengal is 1029, and that of Bihar is 1102. So since the density of the population of the plains is very high, the main crop is paddy, that is rice plant. Since cultivation of the paddy requires sufficient water, it is actually needed more water. It is grown in the area where the amount of rainfall is high. So there are so many other crops are there, which are those wheat, maize, sorghum, gram and millets are the other crops that are grown. Cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also grown. Okay, banana plantations are seen in some other areas of the plain. In West Bengal and Assam, tea is grown. Okay, grow in plantations. We will see the figure number 6.10 here. Tea garden in Assam and paddy cultivation, which is in other other states. Silk is produced through the cultivation of silkworms in parts of Bihar and Assam in the mountains and hills, where the slopes are gentle, crops are grown on terraces. So the vegetation cover of the area varies according to the type of landforms. Yes, in the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain, tropical deciduous trees grows along with the teak, sal, and peepal. Thick bamboo grows are common in the Brahmaputra plain. The delta area is covered with the mangroves forest in parts of Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Coniferous trees like pine, deodar, and fir can be seen because the climate is cool and the slopes are steep. So there is a variety of wildlife in the basin. Elephants, tigers, deer, and monkeys are common. These are the animals where we can find here. The one-horned rhinoceros is found in Brahmaputra plain here. This is a one horn. It has only one type, only one horn. Okay, in the delta area, Bengal tiger and the crocodiles. Here, crocodiles are found. Aquatic life abounds in the fresh river waters, the lakes, and the Bay of Bengal. The most popular varieties of the fish are the rohu, katla, hilsa. Fish and rice is the staple diet of the people living in this area. So you must have heard about that. Bengali people likes more fish because that is their staple diet. Terraces are built on the steep slopes to create flat surfaces on which crops are grown. Here you can see the picture of terrace farming. So the slope is removed so that the water does not run off rapidly. So here just one thing you have to remember, in Amazon basin we have seen smash and burn type of agriculture, and here we are seeing in the uh, Ganga Brahmaputra basin we are seeing that terrace farming. So lake is a source of livelihood. Here you can read this by pausing this video. Okay, this they have showed about why this lake is very important for the livelihood. So in the river, in the fresh water of Ganga river and the river Brahmaputra, a variety of dolphin called susu, also called the blind dolphin, is found. The presence of susu is an indication of the health of the river. The untreated and industrial and urban waste with a high amount of chemicals are killing this species. That's why we cannot see these blind dolphin nowadays. Okay. So that's why to accelerate the efforts to achieve universal sanitation coverage and to put force on sanitation, the Prime Minister of India launched the Swachh Bharat mission on 2nd October 2014. So you must have known about that. So let's move ahead. The Ganga Brahmaputra plain has several big towns and cities. The cities of Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, Kolkata, with all the population of more than 10 lakhs 10 lakhs are located along the river Ganga. The industries is discharging into the wastewater from these towns and industries is discharged into this river. This leads to the pollution of the river. That's why to conserve the river Ganga, Namami Ganga program has been initiated. So all the four ways of transport are well developed in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. In the plain areas, which are those four ways? Just comment that. In the plain areas, the roadways and the railway transport the people from the place to place, from one place to another place. The waterways is an effective means of transport, particularly along the rivers. Kolkata is an important port on the river Hooghly. The plain area also has a large number of airports. So tourism is another important activity of the basin. Taj Mahal on the banks of the river Yamuna in Agra. Okay, Allahabad on the confluence of the river Ganga and the Yamuna. Buddhist stupas in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Lucknow with its Imambara. Then Assam with Kaziranga and Manas with the wildlife sanctuaries, and the Arunachal Pradesh with a distinct tribal culture are some of the places worth a visit. So here we understood about what is exactly the life and the environment about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, and we also understood about the climate, how the people are living, and even we understood about the tourism factor, which is very important for the basin. So I hope you understood about this lesson, which is very easy to understand. If you just read it, you will understand. There are no any other uh, difficult keywords are there. Okay, so they have used a very simple language, so it is easy to understand. If you are not seeing the first part, then see that first part first, then you can watch this second part. second part of this lesson. So if you like this video, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.